Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Sophia's look from the jeans video on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is just the bangs. It's just a little bit. Select this hair in the color black and only bangs, and just position the Y to 0.49. Use this hair and color that black as well. Then for the outfit, super simple. You don't need VIP for this. Grab these shoes in no fur and color it black except for the third toggle. You're going to color it like this gray color, and then color the rest black. For the skirt, we're going to use this skirt in this color 757B88 in denim for all of it. Go to the dressing rooms and grab this jacket, or you can use the leather one. I just prefer this one because it's a little bit shorter, in no watermelon toggle, and in the denim material as well for both. Lastly, you're just going to grab this top here in the color white in matte. Voila, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.